Hey everyone, Paul Akers. We have a great new product called the Shop Saw Hood. So we designed a saw hood for your shop that's rigid. Instead of a collapsible like our ones that go on the job site, now you have a rigid one. We CNC all these parts out on our CNC. It's got a beautiful puzzle joint here. Everything goes together. It comes flat pack in a very small box, very easy to put together. We'll show you a time lapse at the end of the video to show you how easy that is. All you have to do is get a 1x3, another 1x3, and a 1x3 in the back, and some 1/8 inch or 3/16 corrugated signboard, or you can get plexiglass. We've cut a 1/4 inch dado in here, so the signboard just slides in. You'll see that in the video. It's absolutely awesome. You're gonna love that. So it's very flexible. You can put clear plexiglass, you can put signboard in there, you can put masonite in there, you could actually even put formica in there, anything you want. So it allows you to actually make a saw hood as big as you want. This one here is 41 inches, but if you want a little bigger, no problem. You just get a bigger board here and a bigger piece of material there, and you're set. So let me demonstrate how cool it works. Of course, another great feature is it's easy to mount things on it, like a place for your safety glasses, your tape measure.
Now, the nice thing about this is all the dust stays contained within the saw hood instead of going all over your wall, over the floor, and everywhere else. It's just a great unit, and it just works so well. Another nice thing is you have a precision puzzle joint, which makes it very easy to assemble. We put the 1/4 inch dado in there, and we also mounted a light on ours, which really makes it spectacular. Okay, let's watch Greg put this together on this time lapse. He's the one that actually makes the product. A little glue in the puzzle joint, tap it together, put your back brace in on both sides, and then put your strut in the back and put 2 struts along the top. Slide your corrugated material into the dado, and you're basically done. It takes about 10-15 minutes, and you have a great hood, and you are gonna love this product.